Hey, what's up YouTube? Check it out. I got these Mary pliers. See if we can get a part number on that. 2500T-200, and that's Mary. These are made in Japan. And these are supposed to be nail Poland tire pliers for like flats. But I want to use them for this right here. These things are on here pretty good. And when you clip them, it doesn't clip it completely flush. And if you bend it back and forth, you got a good chance of pulling up the metal like I did over here before I discovered I could actually use these for doing what I'm about to do. So check this out, guys. Actually, we're going to nick that down a little bit. What kind of cutters I got quick to grab? We'll grab the ones that Mr. Dave sent me. If it's not broke, fix it. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Breaks it off right there. See that? Does a good job. Just need to probably plant one right there and pull just a little bit more, and then I'll have it good. So she's looking good. I got this panel pretty much done. I just want to do a little bit more finish work to it. Got this little spot done. Get this little spot done in here. And right now I am fixing up this spot right in here. And on the other side, I have a couple of more similar. Right here, I just sanded this up. There was like a little dent right in there for probably from the gas door or something. I don't know, just a weird dent right there. And then a similar one on the other side from, I think it's like rubbing up against the garage. Little close calls or rubbing up against a tree, something like that. But yeah, I just got all the little nicks covered over that were just like, kind of like this. You can't really get it flat again. So, yeah. And see, I had this little spot right here is like what was going on here. So I'll put a link in for the pliers down in the description box. So you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.